Mini cooking class.
Part 15.
Hello everyone. My name is Dana. My name is Chico. Today we want to show you how to make simple sandwich. Bye bye.
Okay guys, so what are the ingredients to make simple sandwich?
We have bread, vegetable and egg. And then we have sausage, tomato sauce, and mayonnaise. Second step is break the egg. And then stir it. Next step, fry the egg. Next step is fry the sausage. Mix the mayonnaise and tomato sauce.
Okay, last step is put the vegetable, sausage, and also the egg into the bread. Let's go!
Simple sandwich is ready. Love it.
Kampung.